Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Happy New Year in advance, and welcome to a quick video on SAI. It's almost starting to be a daily update right now, but it's necessary. I mean, SAI has been very bullish. Again, in the last 24 hours, went up 10%. Was expected. If you watch my last video, what we talked about, and to be honest, we did not fully touch the level. But what we talked about is that there was no reason to be bearish on SAI and that we expected it to go up higher towards 65 cents. We haven't hit 65 cents, but we got so close that I would say the next price target really is around 70 cents. So we'll talk about whether that's possible, whether that's most likely, because I mean, look, in the end, when a crypto is rallying like this, which SAI has been since the 18th of December, almost 2 weeks now, has been rallying ridiculously. All right, we haven't even touched the 50 EMA, that red line right here. And then if you look at the open interest, it's been up and down, but altogether in the last week we've gone from 90 to 170 million, so a huge increase in momentum as well. So the main question you always should ask yourself in a situation like this is there any reason why this would stop? All right, because usually, and that's just what I'm telling you from experience, usually if you see a rally like this with a crypto like SAI has some great backing, right? I mean, I've never shown anybody this, I think. Hopefully you looked it up yourself. But SAI has great backing. I mean, look at all of these parties that are behind it. I mean, it's Multicoin, it's Jump Crypto, it's OKX. It's Circle even, which is ridiculous. Coinbase Ventures, GSR. So SAI is just, I mean, it has great backing. There's a ton of hype accumulating around it right now. And then if you see a chart like this, usually it continues. That's just the way it is. Now, if we look at SAI right now, I mean, to be honest, there's probably some manipulation going on as well. So that's always difficult because then at some point of time, it will just fall. It will retrace pretty hard. You can see that that more than 50%, for example, of the volume is coming from Upbit, BitThumb, and some other shady exchanges. So that is the case, and that's also the major difficulty with SAI is that, look, manipulation is not the end of the world. I mean, manipulation also means the price can go up a lot. However, in this case, it's also bringing about quite a lot of dangers. All right, I would say at this moment, if you look at SAI, the momentum is still very high, but it's no longer really increasing. And then what you also see in the market structure is that we're going up in these consolidation ranges, right? So we have a momentum move, consolidation range, and then another momentum move. But the consolidation ranges seem to be getting smaller and smaller, which usually is an indication of the price topping out. So I would be very careful right now at SAI. I would say the chances of us getting a pullback down to, for example, 50 cents, maybe even lower towards 44 cents, right now are higher than ever. All right. And the only thing what would need to happen for that is for SAI to break down below 56 or 58, 56 cents and to not break above that again. If we break down below 58 and 56 cents and we retest that as resistance, then we're dropping. All right. That's a bearish confirmation. Then probably the open interest and the momentum is also falling down. So that's what you should be careful for. Now, like I said, at this moment, SAI is still very bullish. The open interest is still high and the market structure is still bullish as well. So I have to tell you that it's most likely that will break above 65 cents and that will get up towards 70 cents. But my gut is telling me to warn you all. So maybe it's better to stay out. If you're in a position, I would just move your stop loss in profits. I'm still holding a little bit from down here, but it's negligible. So those are my thoughts. This is most likely, but this is what I'm scared for. All right. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group where I also sent a trade to buy SAI right here, just so you know. But those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.